The Ghana Education Trust Fund, GetFund, has secured a $500 million funding facility for the construction of new schools, renovation and expansion of existing facilities in the senior high schools in the country.
President Akufo-Addo made this disclosure at the 80th anniversary celebration of Presbyterian Boys Senior High School PRESEC at Legon in Accra. The president said the funding would boost the government double-track system, which is currently being used to absorb the increased number of students seeking admission into senior high schools.
Presbyterian Boys Senior High School PRESEC at Legon is a boys' boarding school founded in 1938 under the auspices of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana. It was the brainchild of a Basel missionary, Reverend Nicholas Timothy Clerk, who served as a first synod clerk of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana from 1918 to 1932. The school was originally located at Odumasi Krobo in the Eastern region, but was later moved to its current location in Accra in 1968. Many illustrious Ghanaians attended PRESEC. The school prides itself on having produced the largest number of parliamentarians in the country's legislature. Many of such personalities attended the 80th anniversary celebration. The board chairman of PRESEC, Reverend D.E.S.M. Markwe, used the occasion to launch an endowment fund with a target of 8 million Ghana cedis. This is intended to boost the school's infrastructure to enhance learning.
We collected a bunch of distinguished Odadiers through the thoughts to them. They began to think their way through. And today, we have an endowment fund. They seeded it with 300,000 cedis in a matter of days. Our target is to raise 8 million Ghana cedis to celebrate our 80th year. We have 300,000 in the coffers as we speak. Many more are coming, and we are encouraging people to pledge to give to it. We know since the father of the nation is here, he has heard the song Yibima before, so he would Yi Mae.
Speaking on the double-track system, President Akufo-Addo said the system would not destroy the country's educational system, as some pessimists think.
The double-track system will not destroy our education system, as the professional Jeremiahs would want you to believe. On the contrary, this system will reduce class sizes. It will increase the contact hours between teachers and students, as well as increase the number of holidays. Every bold new initiative that is rolled out will perforce experience hitches and challenges. However, I'm inspired by the famous Chinese adage, which says, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. We have taken that first step in Ghana, and we shall deal with the challenges. Today, any young boy from any part of the country who applies himself diligently, in spite of his circumstance, can dream of also become an Odadier. The story of Mrs. Abwajiwa Yabua, a student of Shah Methodist A Basic School, who was gained admission into Achimota School, thereby becoming the first student from this small town in Brongahafo to attend Achimota, should be celebrated.
The president said the Ghana Education Trust Fund, GetFund, has secured funding to make the double-track system work.
The Ghana Education Trust Fund, GetFund, has secured a $500 million facility for the construction of new schools and the expansion of infrastructure in existing ones to help cope with the rising numbers.